Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Prowler Max grill guard from Luverne. Let's get into it. All right, as you can see, this is just massive product. It wraps around the entire hood and front end of your truck. This happens to be for a Ram 1500, I believe 2019 and later, although you may want to check this specific fitment information on our website at upfitsupply.com or on Luverne's website. Because of just how big and heavy this is, it is made out of carbon steel. It is going to ship on a pallet, but it is going to have everything that you need included right here, all kind of padded and shrink wrapped together. All your hardware is zip tied up here, plastic wrap all over it, and so on. So let's go ahead and get this thing unwrapped. One tip is to just hold on to this foaming material, and you can use it for, lay it on the ground before you're mounting this to the truck, or for other projects that you may need and don't want to scratch anything. It's a nice thing to have. We got everything off of here. You can see this is a one-piece design. Everything's already attached. Looks like we do just have some mounting hardware in here that will open up here in a minute. Just want to give you an idea of what this does look like. So as I rotate this up, you're going to see kind of looking at it from the front. So a nice mean looking design right here. You can see we're gonna have our 2-inch tubes right here, a little bit smaller ones right here, and this is just a punched out circles. That's gonna give you plenty of airflow for obviously your grill and all of that. See down here, we do have a diamond plate little step, if you will. So if you need to, reach into the hood or something like that, you can actually step up on here. We have these wide wings that are gonna wrap all the way around the front of your truck. Looks like little cutouts right here for your headlights. Gonna give you plenty of protection around the full front of your truck. I just want to open up this mounting hardware just to give you an idea of what that's gonna look like for your installation. We are going to be installing this on a Ram 1500 in another video, so if you're interested in how this gets assembled and attached, be sure to check that video out. All right, you have some individually wrapped brackets right here. These actually all are going to tie into existing locations on the truck, and it's a no drill installation. Looks like we have some items that are wrapped in green and some that are wrapped in clear. And I don't know if that's just to help you differentiate left side from right side and so on. We do have our nice carbon black hardware right here. Looks like some larger hardware obviously is going to be required to attach this truck. We do have an installation manual tucked in here as well. This is going to be multiple pages, full parts list, drawings of all the brackets, torque specs, all the hardware sizes and things you're going to need, photos of all the installation steps. And one thing you can do is if you go to our website and you look up the part number that you're looking at, we provide links to digital copies of this. This is just printed in black and white. A lot of times you get a full color version by looking at it online. So a lot of these photos might be hard to see in black and white. So check out our website, upfitsupply.com. Just search for a particular item you're looking for. You can get that full color installation guide. But that is included in the package, so that is nice to have. Looks like we do have some foam tape here, some self-adhesive on the back. Cut down on vibration. Just another bracket right here. Again, I do not know where all of this will end up going, but just maximum protection, nice mean look, and a great product here from Luverne. Now this does have a lifetime warranty. There are a couple of exclusions, particularly on paint. I think that's only like 1 year or 3 years or something like that. But everything else can be protected for the long haul. Now these are all vehicle specific. I did mention this is for 2019 and newer Ram 1500s. There are some particular models that this is not gonna work for. I think it's some of those higher end trims have some places that are gonna interfere. If you do have parking sensors up front or a front camera, obviously if you put something in front of it, it's going to interfere with that. But they do make these for basically all the major truck models out there. Just make sure you're searching for your make model and make sure there's no exclusions for your particular trim or maybe a different part for your particular trim, and you should be all set. Now, if you're looking for this Prowler Max grill guard or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.